Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So today's video is going to be my healthy weekend routine. Today is Sunday and I figured I would just walk you through some of the main steps I've been implementing into my weekend routine to make sure I'm being super healthy and living like my healthiest life I can, but in really easy ways. So I wanted to share that with you guys today. I fully intended on this being like a really beachy, summery themed video, but to be honest, we are in the thick of June gloom here in SoCal. So today's going to be a little bit more of like a casual weekend routine video, but I'm walking you through what an everyday Sunday looks in our life and how I'm making sure I'm healthy this summer as well. So come join me.
Something I've been making sure to do lately is when I get up in the morning, the very first thing I want to do is drink water. So before I make my coffee, I fill up a reusable water bottle and I drink water because your body dehydrates during the evening when you're sleeping. So you want to make sure that you're replenishing it with water and you're staying really hydrated and starting your day off on a super healthy note. Next, I actually put my coffee in a to-go cup and we get moving. So our dogs need to go out first thing in the morning, so we take them to the park nearby and we walk them. We put Christian in the stroller and I like to sip my coffee on the go. It just really awakens me. It feels so refreshing. And of course, I have to stop by the playground and get Christian a little active too. This is just such a nice way to start our day. And instead of sitting on the couch watching TV with our coffee, we're getting outside and we're already being active on the weekend, and I just love doing this. He found this little pail at the park and he absolutely loved it, so I had to try and keep him away from it so we weren't stealing someone's pail, but I just love getting outside and getting that time with him first thing. Next up, it's time for breakfast. So you guys know breakfast time is so special in our household. We love to sit down as a family and eat really healthy foods together. Lately, we've been eating outside on our patio as well. There's something so nice about getting fresh air and eating good food outside during the summertime. Then next up, it's time to take my vitamins. So my pro tip here is to leave your vitamins in an area where you are going to see them and be reminded of them every day. So I like to keep mine right by my Keurig. That way when I'm making my coffee in the morning or I'm making my breakfast, I remember to take them. Lately, I've been loving Care Of as well. So today's video is a collaboration with Care Of. I'm so excited to be working with them on this video because they really provide you the healthy tools you need in a super convenient way. It's really personalized and really easy to access. It can be really hard to know what vitamins or supplements you should be taking, but Care Of makes it easy to find out what you specifically need to be your healthiest. So they even have an online quiz that is really fun, interactive, and super helpful. It asks you all about your diet, your health goals, your lifestyle choices, and it only takes 5 minutes to fill out and to find out your personal, scientifically backed vitamin and supplement recommendations. I thought this was so cool. I was able to indicate that I was breastfeeding. I was able to talk about my fitness level, what areas I was interested in, so the fact that I also care about like my hair and my skin and my nails, and then I also was able to indicate my dietary preferences, so I could talk about the fact that I don't eat meat and I wanted it to be a vegetarian friendly supplement plan as well. I really appreciated that. The online quiz is now new and it's also improved, so you learn if you're getting enough protein, fiber, and good fats to determine if you could benefit from some of their new protein powders. And at the end, it tells you what 5 vitamins it is recommending for you to take and what it's going to provide in your little packets. So Care of delivers daily vitamin and supplement packs, all customized to your recommendations, so you're only taking what you really need. As you can tell, I'm taking quite a few vitamins here because some of the vitamins it selected for me actually have multiple pills with them. So for example, it gave me a prenatal because I'm breastfeeding, and that has 2 pills. I like to take them all at once after I've eaten breakfast on a full stomach, just so that I don't forget to take them during the rest of the day, and I feel so great all throughout the rest of my day. So don't forget that you can visit takecareof.com to sign up for Care of and use my promo code OliviaZ to save 50% off your first order. So after breakfast, I've had my vitamins, I've had coffee and water, I'm feeling good. It's time to get a workout in. I love to work out, especially on the weekends, because I have a little bit more time and I cannot feel so rushed through it. I have this treadmill in my garage, and so I like to either run or I'll do the incline. The incline walking is one of my favorite things to do because it really works the muscles in my legs and it burns a lot of calories. I'll also try and lift some lighter weights while I'm doing this to just get a multi-dynamic workout in. Really whatever I can do. I'm not picky about how I'm moving, but I just want to make sure that I am being active and I'm moving and I'm working my body so that I'm staying super healthy this summer. I know I talked a while ago about doing a workout with a baby at home video, and I still want to do that. I filmed one a while ago and didn't love how it turned out, so I'll be refilming that too. Let me know if that's something you guys would still like to see. Next up, while the baby's sleeping, I shower and make sure to spend some time focusing on me and my self-care. So the next step in my self-care routine, or this healthy routine, is skincare. I've really been wanting to make sure to pay attention to my skin as I get older and as summer's coming around and I'm in the sun more. I want to dedicate that time to making sure I'm taking care of it. So I focus on cleansing my skin. I use a couple different cleansers, and I usually just do this in the shower, but for the sake of today's video, I filmed it outside so that you could see. I also use a toner in this routine, but I just forgot that step when I was filming it. But I use a couple different cleansers, then a toner, and then lastly, I follow it up with a moisturizer. And when I am applying my moisturizer, I like to add some self-tanning drops to it, just to add a little bit more color to my face as well. I find that this just helps me feel a little bit better, and it helps my complexion look a little bit more clear too.
Alright, now that I'm all dressed and ready for the day, it's time to get outside and get some fresh air. So Jordan and I just got to the mall. I decided to do a makeup-free day today. Here's Jordan, by the way. But I decided to do a makeup-free day today because I figured this is a healthy weekend routine. So I'm letting my skin breathe a little bit and get some fresh air and not have makeup all in it today. I did have to fill in my brows because of course. But so we just got to the mall and we're at the Irvine Spectrum. If you are in Orange County, then you're probably familiar with it. We actually were just here yesterday as well. So we're coming back for 2 days in a row because Jordan has to return something. And I got to meet one of you guys here yesterday. So that was super exciting. I met this gorgeous woman at the checkout line in H&M, and she's pregnant with twins and said she watched my video, so it was so nice meeting her. And I feel so bad because I forgot to get her name. So if that was you, leave a comment and let me know because I would love to hear your name, and congrats again on your twins. It was so nice talking with you. And then somebody else on Instagram actually told me that she saw us here and wanted to say hi but was too shy. So if you guys see me, stop me because I would love to meet you. Like, it was mind-blowing getting to meet one of you guys in real life, and it made me want to cry. So definitely feel free to stop me if you ever see me out and about. But we are going to go head into the stores now and get some fresh air and just enjoy being outside. It's gloomy, but the goal is just to get fresh air and great outdoors. So here we go.
After we we get back from running some errands and spending time outdoors, just us adults or humans, we got to get our little puppy babies outside too. So it's time for their later afternoon walk. We do get them out throughout the day as well, but these are just like their 2 bigger walks throughout the day. This time we like to take Christian to the park and let him walk around as well. So in the mornings he tends to stay in the stroller. He's still waking up. In the afternoons, he really likes to walk the whole span of the park with us too. It's the cutest thing. Now that he's walking, he loves to stretch his legs. He will walk as far as he possibly can. He likes to pick up pine cones and just observe and watch the birds and the dogs. And this is, again, our really special family time. But we're being active and we're getting a little bit more mobility in throughout our day without even realizing it. I love having both Jordan and Christian with me, as well as the dogs, because I know everybody in the family is being attended to. Nobody's being left behind, and it's just really special to get outside and get that fresh air and activity in as a whole family. Then I'm rounding out the day with dinner. So I like to eat a nice, light, healthy dinner at home. Salad is one of my go-tos because it's super easy to make. I have all of the fresh ingredients and I can make it taste really yummy, exactly how I want, kind of like a restaurant, but in my home. So avocado is my first go-to. I love avocado. I could eat it on everything, and I do eat it on everything. Then I add in some strawberries. I also add some of this like glazed nut and dried cranberry mix, some goat cheese for a little bit of protein and some added flavor, and then I add a vegetarian like chicken patty on top too. That's just my personal preference. It does not look that great, but I swear this salad is so good. It's my favorite. Then again, we're back to the patio to eat dinner as a family. We give Christian a little bit of what we're eating, and we'll often make him like his own side plate. You can see here Jordan has that ready for him. So Christian had avocado and he had some strawberries for dinner, and then a little bit of chicken from Jordan too. But this is just our special time to sit down and have a meal as a family. I find that it's so important for me that we're sitting down, the 3 of us, to eat, and that we're eating really healthy foods, and we're raising him to eat healthy foods and do it as a family too. It's super important.
What are you doing?
Bubba. Can I have a kiss?
Whoa, good one. You love it. You love it.
Please.
She almost got you.
I don't want the chicken. I don't want it. I don't want the chicken. I don't want the chicken. No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this healthy Sunday or healthy weekend routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know how you guys are staying healthy this summer. And of course, leave me requests for future videos. I would love to hear from you guys. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your love and support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.